Okay, firstly, we install this side table, and then we take off this screw, and we find this reference guiding rails. When we find this guiding rail mode, we take off the screw to take off the cover first. Okay, take off carefully from this side, and then we use these holes to tighten to the side of the machine, edge of the machine. Okay, here and here on same line. And then we tighten it. Not to tighten too much for later micro adjustment. Little bit tight.
一会儿再调，碍事儿嘛就推。
Nuts. This is a same height. Oh, this aluminum is a little bit, just a little bit higher than the cast iron tables. We don't need to tighten it too much. Not to tighten it too much. Just like this side tables holding this guiding rail. No need to tighten too much, otherwise this aluminum may be bending and it will affect the accuracy of the 90 degrees of the reference. So just a little bit tighten, and to make sure this is holding this. Even there got some gaps, no problem. Don't mention it, forget about these gaps, because the cast iron table 4 pieces of screw already tighten the guiding rails so well. So it is fixed, then we put the cover inside. Put it inside, and then we got hole here to fix this cover. Fix the cover, and then find this base for the reference to tighten it to the hinge. Okay, we tighten these 2 screws, then we slide in the reference from here. It will be finished. But later, when you do 90-degree adjustment, you can use this 2 screw. If we tighten this in, then it will push the reference to this side. And if we tighten this screw in, then the reference will go to this side. So use these 2 nuts, we can do macro adjust this base. But if you find your reference, for example, after you install the reference, you measure from the tables, it is not 90 degree. We can lose this screws, nuts little bit, and micro adjust it to calibrate the reference. But all the machines, before we do shipment, we already adjust it well. Then we find this arms for install the dust collection cover and the computers. Firstly, we find this feet to put it in. Then we tighten it to the body of the machine, and later we need to calibrate to make sure that it's 90 degree with the ground, and also from this side. Okay, after this arms finish installation, and then we install this extension. And then we find touching screens. We install it, and also this and then we install this dust collection hose. Find the extension arm, black arm, and put it into the hinge. And find this side tables and put it inside the sliding bar, and sliding it in. Base. Take off these 4 screws. Near the. Okay. Then find the rulers and put these nuts inside the hole. Inside these 2 holes to fix the 90 degree of the rulers. And if it is not 90 degree with the blade, we can use these 2 screws to micro adjust it. Okay, carefully put it inside to make it 90 degree. And then tighten the screws from the bottom to lock from the bottom, 2 sides. Same like here, both sides. And if you want to do any geographic cutting to achieve only degrees rather than 90, you need to take off the ruler, and only one side in, this side out, this side out, this side out, and then and then you can open this ruler, and then you can slightly adjust until it achieves the degree you need. And we got small nuts like this, and you can put it inside this this and this
好，可以了。
to locate at
来到45。
any positions.